right, I am going to do an example of our graph stories again. So here I have the story during a snowstorm. Bella tracked the amount of snow on the ground. So I'm going to do a lot of kind of up and down so that I can just kind of go back and forth. So when the storm began, there was no snow on the ground. So I know that I am going to start at that 0, 0 mark. That is our beginning. For the first 4 hours, snow fell at a constant rate of 2 inches per hour. So that means every hour I went up 2 inches. So I'm going to go up 2 inches, that's 1 hour. Up 2 inches again, I'm at 4 for 2 hours. Up 2 inches again, I'm at 6 for 3 hours. Up 2 inches again, 8 for 4 hours. And then I'll end it and click and have that final piece. I don't want to have segments all the way through. So that's just my one big segment, what happened that first round. Then it says the storm stopped for 3 hours, meaning that the amount of snow there was did not change. So I'm going to have my starting point again at that one part, and then for 3 hours, 1, 2, 3, nothing changed. Then it started again at a constant rate of 3 inches per hour for the next 4 hours. So from here, I'm going to go up 3 inches for every hour, and I'm going to do this for 4 hours. So that's 1 hour. That's 2. That's 3 hours. That's 4 hours. And I can just double check, did I go over 4 hours? I was at 11 and I started at 7, so that was a 4-hour change. Nothing else I can do here because then it just says make a graph showing the inches on the ground. So I'm just going to go ahead and submit my answer, yes, and I have it correct. So let's go ahead and do a new problem as well. Let's do one that does not have the snow. They all have the snow, huh? Nope. Okay, this one works. So this is temperature. So one spring day, Caroline noted the time of day, and the temperature. Her findings as follows. So at 6 a.m., the temperature was 52 degrees. So I'm going to go 6 a.m. up at 52. That's where I'm starting. For the next 3 hours, the temperature rose 2 degrees per hour. So from here, and I'm doing this for 3 hours, I'm going up 2 each hour. So that's 2, that's 4, that's 6. And that was 3 hours of that. For the next 6 hours, it rose 1 per hour, so just a change of 1. So from my starting point of where I was, I'm going to go up 1 per hour. So that's 1 hour, 2 hour, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, there we go. It then stayed the same, so stayed steady until 6 p.m. So I'm going to go down to that bottom. Here's my 6 p.m. mark, so I'm going to take that all the way up to where I need to go and just connect that segment. After 6 p.m., the next 3 hours, the temperature dropped 1 degree per hour. So I'm just going to go down this time, 1 degree each hour. So 1, 2, 3. And then it dropped steadily until it was 60 at midnight. So at midnight, I want to be at 60 degrees. So I'm going to take that, 60 degrees, and then connect it over. So this is my situation, and I can see that I've kind of worked through it each time. I'll go ahead and hit submit. Yes, I want to submit it. All right, there's one other problem I want to find, so I'm just going to go ahead and find this real quick. So give me 1 second. All right, I was able to find one. So this is one where we're driving. So Hudson left his house at time 0 and drove to the store, which is 5 blocks away, at a speed of 1 block per minute. So he starts at 0. He is going 1 block per minute, and my total is just 5 blocks away. So I need to go 5 blocks 5 blocks, but 1 per minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He then stopped and went into the store for 2 minutes, meaning he didn't change his distance at all. So for 2 minutes, he's just at the store. After he was at the store, from there he drove in the same direction, which means I just want to keep going up further away from his house. He drove in the same direction 2 blocks per minute until he got to the bank, which is 10 blocks away. So from here, I'm going to go 2 blocks per minute until I get 10 blocks away. So that's 2. Oops, I messed that up. I got to go. I can't click on that. All right, try again. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'm going to click on that. When he got there to this other store, he stopped at the bank, he stopped at the bank for 4 minutes. So again, location doesn't change. So 4 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then he drove home at a speed of 5 blocks every minute. So if he's driving home, I'm going to go back down because I want the distance from home. So 5 blocks every minute. So I'm starting here and I'm starting here and I need to go 5 blocks every minute. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over there, 3 minutes. And so this is the situation that I would have for Hudson going to the store and bank and coming back. Hopefully this helps as an explanation and you're able to work through it. Remember, whenever you're looking, you can always, click on the buttons up at the top. Yours look a little bit different because I'm a teacher, so these are what mine show, but I can always say show question, show problem. Yours can say like give me another problem or show me an example, and so you can look through there as well. So that is something you can use.